Hello, card collectors. 2020 Bowman Mega Box. My buddy got these off of eBay, and they were cheaper that way than they were at Walmart. So pop this open. This is the Mega Box. It comes with the 2 chartreuse parallels and 1 autograph. This will be my second autograph of Bowman. Oh, wait a second. Oh, excuse me. One big silver pair. These cards aren't bad. Alright, let's see what we get here. Hoping some excitement. Peyton Burdick on the back there. Alright. Brian Reynolds, Pittsburgh. He's got to kind of angle the names. You can barely see the first name there. They heard some people complain about that. Justin Dunn, Seattle Mariners, rookie card. Fernando Tatis. Clayton Kershaw. Not as sharp as them 2013 football, are they? They're alright though, they're different. Just different design. Gleyber Torres. Bueller. Walker Bueller, that's it. Cody Bellinger. I'll get some Dodgers, aren't I? Springer. Yeah, you only get what, 23 cards, and already 3 of them are Dodgers. So Tim Anderson sold his, and Giolito's rookie earlier this year out of 2016 update. Well, I seen a bunch more update tonight. I had to run up to Target. My curiosity got the best of me. I was hoping to go up there and find some rookies and stars, or possibly even Prism, I suppose, but go looking for Prism tomorrow. Not for long. I'm just going to make one trip and that's it. Down to Walmart, and if they don't got any, then I'm coming back home. Hopefully I get whatever else I need. Get all my running done at once. There's my 2 chartreuse. Another Bellinger. So now we're up to 4 Dodgers cards. So I guess it did an alright box for, the world champions. And there's my autograph. It's not a rookie, is it? I hope for a rookie. Michael Toglia. He's probably close to a rookie, because I've never heard of him. What I got there? 9 home runs with 248 average. After posting back-to-back 1,000+ on OPS figures at UCLA, Michael paraded similar power in sharing the 2019 Northwest League home run title. He's a towering switch hitter and skilled, nimble first baseman whom Colorado also drafted out of high school. Alrighty then. Rodriguez, Julio. Baltimore, Grayson Rodriguez. Carroll, Corbin Carroll. Diamondbacks. Wenzel, Texas. Davis Wenzel. Kyle Stowers, Baltimore. Riley Green, Detroit Tigers. Another Dodgers, Devin Mann. Wow. Almost 25% of the box, Dodgers. That's crazy. 20%. Yeah, 20% Dodgers, man. Jeffers, Twins. And Nick Burdick, I think that is. Peyton Burdick. Alright. That was a quick one. Quick little 6-minute video. At least it shouldn't take forever to download. Or is it upload? No, it's download, isn't it? Yeah, I get that confused sometimes. I don't know why. Alright, 6 minutes, 28 seconds. We'll cut this one out of here, and then heck, I'll just make another video. Alright, later guys.